Presenting the Last Supper of Jesus.
Yeah.
Carl will play as John.
Wow!
Echo as Judas.
I will.
Francis as Simon. And Ronald
Hey,
as
man!
Jesus.
Carl as what? John?
Oo, maayos ba yan?
John the Baptist?
Sino Jesus?
Arlene, before you start, ask a question. What is
Jesus knew on the evening of Passover day that it would be his last night on earth before returning to his
What is in the bottle?
Fish sauce.
Uy, Nash! Ayos tayo, balik mo sa akin yung melon cake ko.
Louder, please.
Jesus knew that the Father had given him everything, and that he had came from God and to deliver the
Go, boys.
Let us proclaim the mystery of
He got up from his supper table, took off his robe, wrapped a towel around his loins, poured water into a basin, and began to wash the disciples' and wiped them with the towel he had around him.
Palamgi.
Meron ako dito, may sound effect ako.
Okay, may sound effect din ako dyan.
You don't understand now why I am doing.
Manicure.
Master, you shouldn't be washing our feet like this.
You don't understand now why I am doing it. Someday you will love it.
No, you shall wash my feet. You shall never wash my feet.
But if I don't, you can be my partner.
Then wash my hands and head. My head as well, not just my
One who has faith all over needs only to have his feet washed, to be entirely clean. Now you are clean, but that isn't true for everyone. You're not all of you are clean.
Mo, itigil mo yan. After washing their feet, he put on his robe again and sat down and asked,
Paano ba pa kasi?
para
You
mag-iinom
don't understand what I was doing. I have given you an example. Do as I have done to you. You know that this thing now do to them. That is the path of blessing. The scripture declares, one who examines me will betray me. And this will soon come. Yes, it will. One of you will betray is the one I honor by giving the bread dipped in the sauce.
It's under 40.
Mommy, do it now. The time has come, the glory of God will soon surround you. And God shall receive praise because of what has happened to me. And God shall give me His glory and His soul very soon. How brief are these moments before I must go and leave you. When you search for me, you cannot come to me.
Satan entered into Judas as soon as he had eaten. None of the others at the table knew what he
can go with me now, but you will follow me later.
Why I can come now, or I am ready to die for you.
Die for me. So 3 times before the cock crows tomorrow morning. You will deny that you even know me.
And that was what happened during the night of the Passover. It was Jesus' last supper with his disciples. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.